Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make shape text box in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show make shape text box. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a text box. Now draw a text box. Now type from text. Now again insert menu option. Now click for shape option. Now when it shows shape, now draw a shape. Now click for shape. Now click for mouse right button, then click for add text option. Now type from text. That is. Then we show make shape text box in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for